Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to see exercise 4.4 question number 4. So what do exercise 4.4 from chapter number 4 practical geometry says? In this what we have to do is we have to construct a quadrilateral whose name is DEAR. The measurement is being given like DE is 4 cm, EA is 5 cm, AR is 4.5 cm, angle E is 60 degree and angle A is 90 degree. With the help of this measurement, what we have to do is we have to construct a quadrilateral. So what's our first step is to construct a quadrilateral? Our first step is to construct a rough sketch, isn't it? So here I had created a rough sketch. So what will be the base line we will going to take here? The base we are going to take as DE. The base we are going to take as DE whose measurement is 4 cm. Then with the help of this base we are going to construct an angle 60 degree. 60 degree everybody know how to construct with the help of the rounder. After constructing 60 degree we have to draw an arc of 5 cm so that it cancel this angle 60 degree created. So when we are going to construct it, it will be more clear to you people. So what we are going to do, we will first take our scale and this scale we are going to keep it on our copy. Okay, like this we are going to keep our scale on a copy, and how much base line we are going to take, that is DE 4 cm, isn't it? So DE 4 cm we are going to construct a straight line. With the help of your scale you have to draw a straight line of measurement 4 cm on the plane of your copy. Label it as a DE, how much centimeter? 4 cm. Up to here clear all of you? Then after what you have to do, you have to take your rounder, keep the scale on the copy and the rounder needle on the scale 0. राउंडर का जो needle होगा वो scale के 0 पे रखना है और जो पेंसिल वाला पार्ट है उसको आपको any radius लेना है. You have to take any radius. Suppose I have taken 3 cm radius, you can take 2.5 cm, 2 cm radius according to your wish. Okay. Then what you have to do, you have to keep this needle at point E. Okay, keeping the needle at point E, draw an arc. Keeping the needle at point E, draw an arc. Like this we are going to draw the arc. Now you can see an intersection point over here. This needle of the same radius, keep it on that point and draw the another arc. Okay, draw an arc. Can see an arc everyone? Now stretch a straight with the help of your scale. Draw one straight line. With the help of your scale, what you have to do? You have to draw one straight line. Produce it. Clear up to here? 60 degree. Everybody know how to draw. We had drawn many times 60 degree. So this is the angle 60 degree we had drawn. Now how much centimeter we have to take as DA? EA is equals to how much? 5 cm. So on the mouth of your rounder, what you have to do? On the mouth of your rounder, you have to measure 5 cm so that you can cut this line. So keep the scale on the copy. Keep the needle of your rounder at 0 and stretch the pencil part up to the pencil part of a rounder up to the 5 cm. So removing the scale on the mouth of your rounder, how much centimeter you are having? This is pencil part, this is the needle. Now 5 cm we have on the mouth of your rounder. Keep the needle at point E. E पे रखना है किसको? The needle of the rounder and draw an arc. Keeping the needle, draw an arc so that it intersects the line. Clear here? So we got an intersection point where we will mark it as an A. Here it will be marked as E 5 cm. Clear everyone? Now again what we have to do, student? We have to draw 90 degree at point A. At point A, how much we have to draw? 90 degree angle we have to draw. Clear? Now for drawing the 90 degree angle on the mouth of your rounder, you have to take any radius. Suppose at the first I had taken 3 cm, so I can take 2 cm, 2.5 cm, 3 cm according to my wish. So I had taken a radius of 3 cm, keeping the needle on the at point A. A पे रख करके needle आप you have to draw one arc. So here we are going to draw an sheet. So here like this an arc is being drawn. Clear? Can you see an arc? Now after drawing the arc, what we have to do, student? After drawing this arc with the same radius, we are going to construct another arc. Okay? For the same radius, we have to construct an arc. Here one arc will be there at the point, one arc, and keeping the needle here, the second arc. Have you got the two arc on the axis? Now here we have to draw one more because we want the 90 degree. Keeping the needle on the first arc, draw at the top we have to draw an arc again. So like this you will get an intersection point. That means I will show you, if suppose a straight line is there, taking a radius, draw one arc. Okay, with the same you have to keep, with the same radius you have to draw the two arc on the first arc. Clear? Then at the top and then here, so that while passing the line you can get one straight line as a 90 degree. ये वाला शेप जो है, जो 90 डिग्री जो मैंने अभी बताया, वो आपको यहाँ ड्रॉ करना है. Okay, so here we have drawn an arc. Now after this, what is the measurement we are having? 4.5. With the help of our scale, what we are going to do? We are going to get an intersection point. So join the intersection point and produce like this. So here we have to construct a 90 degree. Clear everyone? Now what is the measurement? 4.5 is the measurement. On the mouth of your rounder, measure 4.5 centimeter. With the help of your scale, keep the zero, stretch the pencil part. How much? 4.5 centimeter you have to measure. So that on the mouth of your rounder, how much centimeter you are having? 4.5 centimeter. Now keep the needle at point A and cancel the 4.5. So cancel the arc. So you have got an arc over here. So what is the distance? It is 4.5 centimeter. With the help of your scale, what you have to do? You have to join the line. Clear? So this is the diagram which you will obtain by using this measurement. We had drawn 60 degree and also we had drawn 90 degree with the help of our rounder. Don't use the protractor over here. Please use the rounder to draw this figure. So this kind of figure we are going to obtain for the quadrilateral DEAR whose measurement is being given over. Clear everyone? Understood? Next question we are having here on the board as the next question we are having. So for the next question, here we have, what is the quadrilateral we have to consider? The quadrilateral is TRUE, where TR is 3.5 cm, RU is 3 cm, UE is 4.5 cm, angle R is 75, angle U is 120 degree. So first of all, this is the rough sketch of the diagram. So here we have constructed a rough sketch. With the help of this rough sketch, we are going to draw the diagram. Okay, so first what is the base angle we are having for that? What is the base angle? Now base angle is 120 degree and 75 and base line is 3 cm. So keep your scale on the plane of your copy. Okay, with the help of your scale and pencil you have to draw how much centimeter? 3 cm line. So this is the 3 cm line we had drawn and label it as an RU. Clear up to here? Then after we have to make 120 degree. So dear student, how to make 120 degree with the help of the rounder? For that what you have to do is, you have to construct, you have to take a radius, any radius you can take on the mouth of your rounder, keep the needle at point U, keeping the needle at point U, draw an arc. Keeping the needle at point U, draw an arc. So here we have drawn an arc. Like this we will draw an arc. Current is, have you seen, like this we were going to draw an arc. Now keeping the needle here, draw the first arc of the same measurement. Same measurement we are going to do. So this is 60 degree, isn't it? 60 degree, and again what you have to keep the needle at the same radius, drawing 90 degree, and then after 90 degree, what the angle you will get? Here 120 degree. Like this you will get the arc. 3 arc you have to make. This is the 60 degree arc, this is the 90 degree arc, and this is the 120 degree arc. Clear? Now what you have to do? With the help of your scale, produce the line by passing through the intersection like this. So here the line, the angle will be how much? 120 degree. Understood up to here? Now the next one is 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter arc you have to make with the help of the rounder. So keep it the scale on the copy, needle part on scale 0, stretch the pencil part of 4 centimeter. Then after needle part you have to keep it at O, draw an arc like this. So this arc shows that we are having the measurement of 4 centimeter. Clear up to here? Then after 4 centimeter we had got 120 degree will here, angle U we had got 120 degree measurement, we had got 4 centimeter, and this is the E point. Clear? Now next is what? 75. So 75, how the 75 to draw is? So 60 plus 15. So that will be equals to how much? 75. So first we are going to draw the 60 and then 30, because 30 का हाफ क्या होगा? 15 होगा, तो पहले 60 ड्रॉ करेंगे, फिर 60 अगेन ड्रॉ करने के बाद 60 का बाइसेक्टर ड्रॉ करेंगे. टेक एनी रेडियस ऑन द माउथ ऑफ योर राउंडर. ओके, टेकिंग एनी रेडियस ऑन द माउथ ऑफ योर राउंडर, ड्रॉ एन आर्क. An arc is being drawn. So keeping the needle on the first arc, draw the arc again. So this is 60 degree. Again this is 60 degree, and this is 120 degree. 60. Here we have to get this 60, isn't it? So that's 120 degree. Now after that, what we are going to do? Since here we are having the 60 degree, here we will get 60 degree, here we will get one angle. The bisector we are going to draw for it of taking any radius, and pass one line with the help of your scale like this. Clear? Now this angle shows that here we have drawn 75 degree. पहले 60 डिग्री ड्रॉ करना, 60 डिग्री के बाद आपको फिर 30 डिग्री ड्रॉ करना है, मतलब 60 का इस 60 का बाइसेक्टर, ये यहाँ से यहाँ तक तो 60 है, फिर सेकेंड 60 यहाँ से यहाँ तक होगा, तो उसका बाइसेक्टर जो आप ड्रॉ करेंगे उसका बाइसेक्टर होगा 50, और उसका बाइसेक्टर होगा 60 का बाइसेक्टर होगा 30, 30 का बाइसेक्टर होगा 15. So 60 plus 15 will become 75. So here we had drawn 75 the base angle. Okay, after that 3.5 you have to measure on the mouth of your rounder. You have to measure 3.5 centimeter. Okay, on the mouth of your rounder measure 3.5 centimeter. Keep the rounder at point R. Draw an arc. Okay, after that you have to join the lines. So like this figure you will going to see. So understood everyone? Clear? This is the exercise 4.3. So for today, thank you.